This is a 2012 Ford Fusion. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, and fog lamps. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Champion Ford Gulf Freeway is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 12227 Gulf Freeway in Houston.